new video. In today's video, as one of you have suggested for me to do, I was going to do it anyway because I love making these, but for the suggestion video for me to do it this Christmas, one of you suggested for me to do a gingerbread house. So I'm doing the Costa one because that's the only one I could find. So I don't think I'm going to put the Costa logo on, but I've got everything else. Everything comes in this box and the instructions. I've never done this by myself, like I've always decorated it, but my parents or my sister would always help me like set it up, but I'm going to try myself this time. So it's pretty much gingerbread, the gingerbread house versus cerebral palsy. So let's set it up first. Many of you are wondering, this is what you get in the Costa gingerbread house. You get little snowflakes. Can't really see that, there's snow. You get a massive tube. I quite like this because normally with the other gingerbread houses you put it in like a bag like this, and then you need to cut it and squeeze it out. But it doesn't look like, obviously we need to cut it, but I need to cut it, but it doesn't look like it needs to be in a bag. So I like that. Then you get these little like ball, red and green balls. I've got other decorations that I'm going to use as well. And then you've got these ones. I think these are your typical, like you get them every time you get a gingerbread house. And then we've got the actual house. So that is all the stuff that comes in the box. There's nothing else. Oh, like you get your Costa logo, and it looks like it's just icing. Yeah, it's just icing with the logo is paper icing, but that is what it looks like. It's actually got a little crack in it. Got a little hole right there. I've also got these, so there's loads of sprinkles there. Christmas tree, gingerbread, men or women, stars, glitter things. So while you're watching this, you could do it with me or just grab a cup of tea and watch me struggle. Also, sorry if you can hear eating out in the background. I'm in my kitchen and my dog's eating her food. I love the smell of gingerbread. You can tell I've never like actually put it together before. So I'll put it there. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna act like I know what I'm doing, but I actually don't. Thread as shown. Having my first struggle. It says you need to cut it. It says you need to cut it.
So I'm thinking if you put it like that.
Yeah, but then I'll need to lift it up. I find
and then sort of do it like that. and the other one, and sort of, if you do all the gel stuff first and then do it, instead of trying to put it on one at a time.
The only thing with that is I'll need help lifting it back up.
Yeah, well, if you put all the icing round all of them first, and then you can start putting it all together, because it's not going to dry in the space time that it takes for you to go all around it. And
I'll do the house first, and then I'll do the roof when I lift it up.
Yeah, we'll do but remember, you don't have to do the bottom bit.
Bottom bit?
Of that bit, because you've got nothing to attach it to, do you?
This is way more easier. So, any other places that do gingerbread houses for Christmas, I recommend doing this because it's like way more easier for people like me who have a disability. No. Okay, I don't know how difficult this bit will be. Now that I've done that was weird, difficult. I'm gonna do the roof now, and then I will come back when it's dry. So this is what it's looking like. I need to put icing on it, on the top. So I'm going to leave it for now to dry for about an hour and a half, and I will get back to you when it's dried. I've let the gingerbread house dry now, it's fully dry. So now we're going to decorate. I've put the decorations in here that were in the bag, and then I've got these, what I showed you. I've kept these in the bag just so it's not as messy. But let's start decorating the gingerbread house. I'm going to start doing the roof first. Looks like a child still. I'm gonna just do the top for now because I don't know if I will have enough for the rest of the house. I'm going to use these ones for the top of the roof. So that's the end of the video, me making my own gingerbread house. I've made it from like full on, like not scratch because I've got the cookie or the gingerbread, but that's the first time I've made, like built a gingerbread house. Normally I need to get someone to help me because I'm cerebral palsy, but it didn't go as bad as I thought. I know the actual decoration is not that great, but I don't decorate gingerbread houses every single day, so decorating gingerbread houses are not my go-to. But hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.